Hi, my name is Claudio Rodriguez. Today is March the 14th, 2021. This is CIRC04 Attempt C. Alright, so this is the servo running on the Arduino. And here's the code. Now, in the beginning, we've been using stdio.h, but that's separate instructions. So it says servo now, so I imagine that's instructions specifically for this servo motor. So line number 2 says servo, my servo, and then the semicolon. So it's going to create the object to control the servo. I imagine it's pin number 9. Now int, so we have a variable called POS, which is short, I imagine, for position, and we set it to a starting value of 0 degrees. Alright, now our void setup. Now the my servo dot attach, and then pin number 9. Alright, now we start our void loop. Now we have a for loop here. We have the 3 components. So position equals 0, that's the initial expression. So we have starting point is 0. After the semicolon, we have the condition, which is testing the true or false. In this case, position is less than 180 degrees. And then the third is the loop expression itself, which is position plus or equal to 1, or its position equals position plus 1. That's the increment. So it's going to go up 1 degree over and over in a loop till it's less than 180 degrees. Now after that, we have the braces, the open braces, so that starts a block. So my servo dot right position, it's going to tell, that's the body of the loop, that's going to give it instruction to keep testing the condition over and over again in a loop until it's less than 180 degrees. And then we're going to have a delay of 15 milliseconds for the servo to reach the position. So it has 15 milliseconds to reach it. And then we have a closed braces, and then we have the start of another loop, a for loop. And this time the position, the initial position, is going to be 180, which was the in position in the first for loop. So the test now, the condition is going to be that position is greater than or equal to 1. And then we're going to have a decrement for the expression, for the loop expression. So position is going to be minus or equal to 1, or position equals to position minus 1. So it's going to go down a degree over and over again till it reaches back to 0 degrees. And then we have the my servo dot right, which is the body of the loop, and then the delay of 15 milliseconds to reach the 0 degrees position, and that ends that block. And that will just end the void. Well, that'll not end, but that'll just keep looping over and over until we cut off power. So in the Arduino, we can see the servo, not a full 360 degree turn or anything. It's going to less than 180 and then looping back to 0. And it's going to loop over and over again. This yellow wire, which is giving instruction to the servo, is on the Arduino pin number 9, as you can see. And then we have our regular, ground, our 5 volts here, and then being relayed back to the servo to power it. Okay, thank you.